There's mummy skeletons knocking doors and having fun. Pumpkin lanterns light the way for the monster spooky play. Trick or treat, give us something sweet. Candy.
Hey guys, I'm Jen.
And I'm Chris.
And we're with Monsters and More. Hey guys, so today I was in the Lowe's in Bardstown, Kentucky, and I was able to find the 5.5-foot animated swinging twins. Been wanting these for the past year. I'm not for sure exactly what we're going to do with them yet. Whether we've got an old swing set that we're thinking about maybe using that as a prop with, or front porch. Not really for sure yet, but you'll see later in our videos where we end up putting these girls at. So let's get it started and getting them put together, see how they work. It looks like these are fairly easy. They're already put together. So it says right here first, it does come with batteries. So we'll be putting the batteries in the back. Hold on. I need to get the batteries in here before you start getting them. Put it in the front. We just had a little screwdriver that we picked up from the Dollar Tree that we use for most of our animatronics.
Let me do it before I got to push pretty hard. They're trying to take off by themselves.
All right, so you want to show them real quick? Basically, we were wondering how this actually hung up. This is just a strap. You have your foam piece right here, and all you're going to do is just take it and wrap it around whatever you're planning on doing. He's just going to wrap it around the, what is that, 2x4?
Around the 2x4 rafter. Just so you can see it rock. It's going to be a little high, but hey, pull down on that a little bit. Straighten it out.
Alright guys, so we got them up and installed and you've seen them moving. We are going to have to do a little work on the Velcroing part. Their swing is not wanting to swing like a swing. It's just kind of got like a jerking motion going on. So we're going to kind of take a look at that and see what we can do to make that better. May just have to put extra Velcro on it. But all in all, I really love them. I love their sayings. I love the whole spooky little atmosphere going on with them. Like I said, I'm not really 100% sure where we're going to put these guys out right now, but super awesome. I would give it a 10. I love it. Spooky and creepy.
Yeah, she's in these dolls. That's why she really likes it.
I do. I love the creepy baby dolls. So anyway, thanks for joining us. Thanks for hanging out with us. Hey, and if you guys have any suggestions, just please drop it down in the comments for us, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. But if anybody does have this and have any other ideas of how they've utilized them or what they've done with them, just let me know. And thanks for watching. Make sure that you like, share, and subscribe.
Thanks, guys.
Thanks.